streets of Willow got renovated, added new walls to the track, and it's pretty sketchy.
Oh shit, oh fuck. It's on fire? Oh shit. Someone's in trouble. Oh my god.
This is my time trials training arc. I'm on a journey to get faster at track. We're at streets for the first time after the renovation. My benchmark is the Grassroots Motorsports Miata build. Really similar setup. Andy Hollis drove it at streets and got a 126.
What was your name?
Jasmine.
Way around. Yeah,
I got new shoes.
Like last time, we're running the first sessions on 340 treadwear to practice, then swapping to the 200 treadwear to push.
How was it?
Yeah, it was great. It was so great.
Hell yeah. Good stuff.
Man, the fronts were fun. They were 35. Yeah, it was great. Yeah, they let me pass.
Good job, you.
I actually, on the downhill, I forgot where I was, and I drove straight through the gravel.
You went through the gravel.
Oh shit, oh fuck. Oh man, I hope it's okay. Why are you braking, dude? Oh fuck. Oh my god, I did not give you a pass. That guy is... Oh my god, that guy is just open passing.
This guy stinks!
That guy was just open passing.
Who?
The red Corvette.
What happened to him?
I don't know.
His entire bumper is on fire or something.
What? Okay, well maybe he shouldn't open pass in a point bike group. It's on fire?
How did it feel?
The tires were definitely a little bit more greasy. With the Magic tires, I might cut 1 second. Wow, amazing. Best time!
How'd you do?
127! 127! But
if you don't get under 125, you don't get
I'm
dinner
gonna have
tonight.
a giant bruise right here because I'm bracing my knee.
You can wrap your knees in bubble wrap.
Yeah, we can do that too. I decided to brake really late for the bowl, and I got a bit Swayze there.
Oh!
But the bowl has all the walls.
Oh, who cares? I don't even look at them.
I know, but I was
honestly,
oh my god, I'm sideways in the bowl. Barely missed the side. Actually, that probably means everyone needs to get off track. Someone's in trouble. Oh my god. Spun right out right there. That's that hard braking zone downhill, right? Oh, is that your friend? The brake squeak.
that turn right there, this one.
Yeah.
You kind of see where the dark tire marks are, right?
Yep.
That's what I'm using for brake separate, but this is the cone on the right.
Okay.
As straight as possible through the essence.
But you take a lot of curb here.
Past that curve on the left, then I'm ready to park.
And then you cut here.
I do cut quite a bit.
Yeah. That's okay. That's awesome.
Cut as much as you want, to be honest, as long as,
As long as you don't hit the tires.
kind of why the tires are there, I think. My fastest here, actually, not today, but overall is 121.6.
Yeah. That's so insanely fast.
Still trying to be faster.
Aren't we all? Cool. Thank you. Can't get that corner. Ooh. I think I shaved some time off there. Yes! 126! Woo! Woo! Oh my god. Okay, I'm done. Woo! Okay, I should actually pay attention to the track now. Oh man, what a day. 126! 126! Woo! My knee hurts so bad. 126.3!
Nice.
I didn't just rush it, I was in it. Wow! Wow! Yeah! Wow, that was so fun. And the thing is, like, there's definitely more.
Yeah.
Because, like, I was still taking it easy. Ethan! I cut a whole second! I cut 1 second!
I surprised myself today. Now that I know I can match my benchmark, next step is making the car class legal for time trials with the safety mods.
Okay. Wait, am I doing this right? I'm doing it again!
And apparently adding neck exercises to my training.